Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Umair Arfin. I hope you all are fine as you have already seen the title. So today I am gonna to tell you what are the 3 kinds of sketching you should try. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So our first drawing is krna drawing. Krna drawing is quick and sketchy drawing of a live model. It is a kind of sketching mostly used in fashion. They use it to make a new design of dress in which the models wears it. You have also seen in the award functions of film, the actress wears different designs of dress. So our second sketch is portrait sketch. It is a type of sketch used in painting. It's just opposite to krna sketch, which is a line art. Portrait sketch is mostly used in capturing the coloring and atmosphere of a scene, both spending time outdoors and just looking at pictures of nature scenes can improve our health by reducing feeling stress and anger. So our third sketch is portrait sketch. A portrait drawing is a drawing depicts the image of a particular person or animal or group thereof. Portraits are effective when they tell us something about the person. Nowadays mostly people are making portraits. In the next video I will give you the full details of portrait sketching. Till then, take care. Thank you.